In this video, I'll show you how to change the volume of your Beats Studio Buds or Studio Buds Plus. There's actually 4 different ways on how you can do this, and some of these modes are not enabled when you get them out of the box. You need to enable it on the phone. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First way to adjust the volume is to simply wear them, and once you wear them, you can say, "Hey Siri, turn down the volume," or "Hey Siri, drag up the volume." And this way you'll be able to adjust the volume without you having to take your phone out of your pocket or touch anything. You can, if you have an Apple Watch, you can also use the crown of your device to adjust the volume when you're wearing these Beats Studio Buds. Pretty cool. There's also the classic way on how to switch the volume, which is simply using your phone buttons up and down, or if you drag from your iPhone, from the top right corner, you're going to see an icon, which are your Beats Studio Buds here. And this way you can drag an up and down the slider. You can also switch the volume directly on them without a phone, without your voice, without an Apple Watch. How to do this? Very easy. Wear them. Let me put this in my ear. And now what you need to do, well, we don't need a case, is to take your phone that they are connected to, open the settings. Then over here you should see Beats Studio Buds on top. If you do not see it, go on Bluetooth, press your Beats Studio Buds icon on the right side here. It's the same thing, and you'll get at the same spot. And then once you're here, go down, click on press and hold. And then you need to enable volume control over here, like that. And what does it mean is simply when you press and hold either the left or the right earbud, you can adjust the volume up and down. So if you keep press the left earbud, the volume went down, you see? Let me press the right side and the volume is going up. You just need to keep press the button on the side of your Beat Studio Buds and it will act like a volume button. This way, again, you won't have to use your phone or your voice to adjust the volume. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.